So this is the result of the hand prosthesis project produced by Group 28 of the Mechatronics System Design subject. Because this is a bit of a mouthful to say, we're just going to call it the hipster hand. It can grab objects in two different ways, a pinch grip and a cylindrical grip. It is very light and relatively strong.
Since there are plenty of realistic hands on the market, we also wanted something with a little bit of style, like we have here. The components need to be relatively easy to replace, in case they get broken, and should be relatively easy to maintain. At the same time though, the user should not feel like they're detrimented by using this prosthesis, so I can't look like an ugly rendition of a normal hand either. There are also features added to make the device more user-friendly.
An EMG sensor, a sensor that measures electrical signals in the user's residual muscles. The hand uses that input to create a corresponding movement. This makes it easy to operate instead of requiring you to push buttons on the hand.
We also need the hand to try and perform several grips. Just doing one grip isn't enough. A pinch is good for picking up pens and smaller objects, but it can't pick up anything like a metal rod. That's why it should be able to move in several ways to able to pick up various objects.
Knowing that we needed to do all of these things, we combined as many of the ideas as we could to produce a 3D model of our design. It was redrawn as a 2D set of parts and laser cut out of MDF. We assembled the pieces, the motors and electronics were added in afterwards.
The hand was able to perform the goals we set up for it quite nicely. It can pick up objects, drop them, and so on. Plus, it is able to perform two grips to pick up different kinds of objects. The material that is made out of is a bit weak, so we would like to make it stronger in the future. However, this can be fixed by changing our materials and the inner structure of the design.
Currently, the hand can exert a force of 8 Newton on a grip object and can hold up to 800 grams on a weight, and the hand itself is 200 grams.
Yeah, so two fingers, one pinch. The single finger by itself is for, say you've got something like this. Yeah. So this is pinch, and you can also grab like that. So just the second individual finger covers it like that.